One great thing about La-Z-Boy that sets them apart from all the competition are customizations and upgrades. In this video, we're going to discuss the 10 ways that you can create a one-of-a-kind recliner. First on our list is the wireless remote. Upgrading to the wireless remote comes with some great features and benefits, including 2 memory positions, Find My Remote, no bulky cords, do not disturb, and a USB charging port. Next up is the brushed metal handle. This handle has a sleek and ergonomic design built with a brushed metal. Selecting this upgrade will make your recliner look and feel more stylish than ever. Being able to plant your feet on the ground while sitting is important to find the right fit for your unique body type. By upgrading to an extra tall base, you'll bring an additional 1.5 inches to your seat and chair height. Upgrading to a swivel base allows full reclining comfort with a 360-degree swivel motion. All of our La-Z-Boy recliners can be upgraded with a swivel base for an extra $100. If you're having trouble reaching the handle on your manual recliner, you're in luck. Upgrading to an elongated handle will give you an additional 2 inches to your reclining mechanism. Upgrading to an extended leg rest will give your legs and feet the proper support they need. Extended leg rests are available on most of our non-chaise recliners. Nothing helps you recover from a long day like a heated massage. This upgrade comes with a wand controller to operate. It provides extra comfort at a touch of a button. One thing to note, this upgrade does not come with a USB charging port. La-Z-Boy recliners are naturally built with a reclining handle on the right side. If you're left-handed, or just maybe your room calls for the handle on the other side, well then you're in luck. We can move that handle on the left side and accommodate all your needs. Let's say you're limited on space, but you still want a recliner. Upgrade to the wall recliner feature, and this will allow you to fully recline your chair only inches away from your wall. Upgrading to a battery pack will allow you to place your power furniture anywhere you want without running an extension cable. This convenient upgrade is available on all of our power reclining furniture. The goal at La-Z-Boy is to provide you with the most options in the recliner market. You can go to a local La-Z-Boy store today and personalize your own chair. So don't forget, click the link in the description and you can set your personal appointment today.